If you're looking for a bag that'll take you anywhere from your home to the gym to your office to even the mountains, this might be the bag for you. But before we get into that, my name is Jericho from Rushfaster. Here at Rushfaster, we bring you guides and walkthroughs bringing you better gear and better ways to carry. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Hit that like button down below, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to our monthly newsletter where you can stay updated with your favorite carry brands from around the world. With that being said, this is the Able Carry Daybreaker 2. Y'all ready? Let's go. So this is my first bag from Able Carry, and I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. Upon first impression, I found this bag to be extremely light, weighing in only at 660 grams. This bag has a capacity of 25 liters, and I found that to be more than enough space for daily carry. I do commute to school every day via bike, so using this as like a commuter biking bag was a very nice experience. It being so light and comfortable made it seamless in my day-to-day life. I was caught out in the rain a couple times using this bag. I also was able to take this bag out in some light snow. Everything I had inside was bone dry. So the Daybreaker 2 is the updated version of the original Daybreaker. Able Carry's Adventure Ultralight Backpack. One of the features of the new Daybreaker 2 is this full 3/4 zip around the backpack, almost clamshell-like. There's also a new internal organization system that they created. Able Carry also redid the insides of this bag for better internal organization. So the outside material of this bag is 210 denier Cordura nylon ripstop. This is also DWR coated, so it is fairly water resistant. We have YKK AquaGuard zippers as well as these Hypalon zipper pulls. Along the zippers, there are these nylon kind of pull tabs that help you open and close the bag. With some of these nylon webbing details, you can also lash on certain items. So for example, on this bottom one, you could add a bike light, or on these top ones, you could hang a carabiner on. Also on the front of the bag is this elastic water bottle sleeve. This is big enough to hold my 32-ounce Hydro Flask. For the water bottle sleeve, it is gusseted just a little on the side right here, as well as having some drainage holes at the very bottom. So if anything does get stuck in there, it will find its way out at the bottom. While we're on this side of the bag, there are 3 haul handles using that same nylon webbing throughout the bag. At the 2 side haul handles, there are these sections where you can clip things through, these little pass-throughs. Throughout the entire bag, there's also this triangle stitching that helps with durability as well as looks cool. Here's another haul handle. This one I use fairly frequently when accessing this bag. Onto the other side of the bag, there is a quick access pocket, another haul handle, same zipper pull, same AquaGuard zip. In here I usually keep quick access items, so I have my 2 bike lights for whenever I am biking at night. In here they also include this removable key leash or pouch leash. Able Carry does offer several different pouches that work with this key leash system. If we quickly look at the bottom of the bag, there is more triangle stitching with this extension of this nylon webbing that is used for the harness system. Moving on to the harness system, we have these EVA foam harness straps that are fairly comfortable at the top. At the back of the straps, there is this open mesh that helps with breathability. On the back panel, there is these EVA foam strips as well as this air channel down your spine. You can see how durable and reinforced these stitches are, which is great to see. You know that this bag will last for a while just looking at these. Going back to the straps, there is the adjustable sternum strap with this Duraflex hardware. Moving on to the inside of the bag, we could use these nylon pull tabs to help open it. As I mentioned before, we do have that brand new 3/4 zip that almost clamshell opens the bag. Inside there's a decent amount of internal organization, but I tend to carry a lot of my items within pouches anyways. So to get some out of the way, I have my Bellroy tech case. This is the Carryology collaboration. Here I have my Logitech MX Master 3. Inside I also have this Bellroy set of pouches. I have the pencil pouch as well as the classic pouch. Both of these in a color they don't make anymore, forest green, really good color. Next up I have my noise cancelling headphones when I want to study on campus. These are the Sony WH-1000XM4s. Inside there is some internal organization. At the top there is this mesh zipper pocket. Inside I carry my Zenni magnetic sunglasses, a couple spare batteries, my Bellroy Apex Slim Sleeve, very good wallet. I recommend watching the video right here. You can find on this title card right here. I have my Big Idea Design TPT Slider, little snacks, Bubble Bites, highly recommend. Towards the main compartment there is this internal mesh water bottle pocket. Here I have my Hutu USB-C dock. On the inside there's this elastic divider to separate sections of the bag. This section is not padded. I do have my MacBook as well as my iPad in here. So this is the iPad M1, iPad Pro 11-inch. Then I have my 14-inch MacBook Pro in here. Like I said, it is not padded, so Able Carry does recommend using a laptop sleeve if you were to carry any tech. Here at Rushfaster we do sell laptop sleeves, so that is one thing I do recommend. There is another small internal pocket. Here I have my Gen 1 AirPods Pro in a Bellroy leather case. I have my Big Idea Design bolt action pen. Then lastly I have my Gen 2 Apple Pencil for my iPad. Right above that zipper is access to the backing of this backpack. In here you can see the foam insert that is used to be the support of the bag. If you want, you could always switch this out if it happens to wear out or have a stiffer frame sheet. Able Carry does mention that you could fit a water bladder in here, and you can connect it to these points to make sure it doesn't move around. At 25 liters, this bag has the capacity to carry more than I personally need. I have used this bag in several different occasions, so I've used this as a gym bag, I've used this on several different hikes. No matter where I go, this bag has performed relatively well. This bag is ultra lightweight. If you were interested in purchasing this bag, you can find it at ablecarry.com for about $128 US. And if you saw anything else in this video that you do like, I'll leave links in the description down below. If you do use those links go a long way in helping out us here at Rushfaster, so we do greatly appreciate that. My name is Jericho from Rushfaster, and this has been the Able Carry Daybreaker 2.